Alright guys, so we've hit a stopping point. This truck's put out 1900, 2000 degrees of EGT, so I would only assume we're gonna have some bolts seized up on the manifold. So I'm gonna pull off the exhaust manifold so I can get that exhaust housing off of it so we can get that turbo out of here. So here we go. Alright guys, so that's going to pretty much wrap up today. As you guys seen, we had some problems with the exhaust manifold. I had a bolt that wanted to break off, seize up in there. The truck's been running 1900 degrees on the EGTs, but we got the turbo off. This turbo is going to be our primary charger for our LML Duramax build. It's going to SDP, so it's going to them. They're going to create a compound kit for us. Now we're going to jump in what we're going to do next on the Gray Ghost. You guys are going to tune in every Friday to figure out if we're adding parts or removing parts. We're on the turbo category, so we want to hear from you. You guys want to see a big compound setup? You want to see triples or a big single? I kind of want to weigh towards the big single, but let's hear from you. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Go to our Facebook page, hit the like button, follow us on Instagram. We do daily posts on customer repairs and also all of our performance stuff. So see you guys next time on the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel.